Given a triangle with angles and opposite sides labeled as in the figure, the ratio of the measurement of an angle to the length of its opposite side will be equal to the other two ratios of angle measure to opposite side. All proportions will be equal. The law of sines is based on proportions and is presented symbolically two ways. So sine of alpha, so notice alpha is opposite A, so sine of alpha over A is equal to sine of beta over B, equal to sine of gamma over C. Or, if you just flip them all, A over sine alpha equals B over sine beta equals C over sine gamma. So to solve an oblique triangle, use any pair of applicable ratios. So let's go ahead and solve this triangle. Okay, the first thing is we can find beta because we know two of the angles. So beta is going to be equal to 180 minus 50 degrees and then minus 30 degrees. So that's going to be 100 degrees. So we know beta. Now, I guess pick one. Let's pick the smallest. Let's see. This doesn't really matter. I'll pick, okay, we know 10 and alpha. So we can say sine of 50 degrees over 10 equals sine of 30 degrees over C. Then we can cross multiply, so C times sine of 50 degrees equals 10 times sine of 30 degrees. So C equals 10 times sine of 30 degrees divided by sine of 50 degrees. So C is approximately 6.5. And then to get B, do the same thing. And I'm going to go with the one that we were given so we don't have round off error that's propagated. Sine of 50 degrees over 10 equals sine of 100 degrees over B. So we have cross multiply. B times sine of 50 degrees equals 10 times sine of 100 degrees. Divide both sides by sine of 50 degrees. B equals 10 times sine of 100 degrees over sine of 50 degrees, which is approximately 12.9. Okay, and that's the idea behind law of sines.